Whoa. Woo! Woo! Nice. Woo! Yeah, look at that go. Look at that go. Yeah. Yeah. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! Woo! He's almost as good as Dick Clark's Rockin' Eve in New York City. But only in Safford, they're much smaller. With one person. Here it goes. Woo! That was tight, yo. That was tight. Woo! That's a goodie. That's a goodie. You know that's a goodie. That's definitely a goodie. Alright. You haven't even gotten the good stuff yet, because I said, are you ready? No. I said, are you ready? Then, for the hundreds of people that live in this town of Safford, and for the thousands to hopefully be watching on Facebook, let's get ready to let some buckets! Alright. I think burned into nothing. Oh, anticlimactic. Oh. Come on, spin. Woo! That's what it's supposed to do. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! Hey, that was a good idea. Woo! Try to light you at the same time. I'm going to light myself on fire. Woo! Look at that. It's insane. Insane in the membrane. Runs insane. It's got no brain. Here we go. Go spin, spin, spin. Gosh darn it. Spin. Spin. Oh, boo. Boo. Okay, we're gonna attempt to light off two simultaneously. It could be a risk. I don't know if we'll make it, but we're gonna try. Whoa! That one's a burnout. Doesn't want to spin. Oh man! Another anticlimactic moment here on the Pen and Pinto Network. All right. We're back in about just a few short seconds. Here we go. Last one of the fun New Year. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year 2011 to all of you in the town of Stafford, Thatcher, and surrounding areas, and the whole Phoenix metropolitan area. We look forward to a wonderful and awesome New Year in 2011. God bless, and peace out. Did I just say peace out? I think I did. Good night, everybody.